Okay, we're going to do a little experimenting with this duty cycle square wave generator. I'm not sure exactly what I can do with it, but we're going to start playing with it and figure out what I can do. First thing I want to do is set up some push buttons for these four crossovers there and see what they do. Instead of sound this time, I'm going to use an LED. Alright, so this is a simple test here. So we're running the signal through the LED, which goes to ground. I'm running 5 volts at the moment into the VCC, and of course it's grounded. And you can see this light is blinking opposite of this light on the board. Now I'm wondering what will happen when I move the jumper. I believe 3 of those are different frequencies, so it'll probably go faster. Pull that off. So you can see now they're both on full time. So if I put this on the second one, I'm right. So the frequency increases on the second jumper. And then if I move it to the third, so it looks like it's going so fast that you can't see the blinking. And then the third one, the fourth one is again so fast you can't see it. So I'm betting the third and fourth one were better for sound. So if I grab my speaker instead of the light, I can plug the speaker in. So there's the sound. Ooh, that's loud. So now I'm wondering if I can put a potentiometer in here and increase and decrease that sound. So I'm going to put that together real quick. So I put the potentiometer in here on the output, and it does increase and decrease this volume. Now I want to see what would happen if I put a potentiometer on the input of the power. So the 5 volts, if I decrease the 5 volts, what would happen to the sound? So the potentiometer on the input of the The VCC input doesn't do much, so when it gets below a certain threshold, it just turns off. You can see here and here the light went out. So when I turn it back up, they both turn back on. So that just didn't do anything that would help me any. It just decreased the power output to below what the circuit needed to run. This potentiometer, I went ahead and put the light back in, the LED, took the speaker off. But if you notice, it increases and decreases the strength of the LED. So I'm going to continue playing with this over the next week or so and see if I can come up with some new ideas as to what I can use this for. If you have any suggestions, please leave them below in the comments, and I will see you next time.